Is it supposed to be like that? Tastes like nothing. Hola Venaka and happy Sunday. Today I'm here with Marika because he's at church and I'm surprising him with a meal that we saw on TikTok the other day and he hasn't stopped talking about it. It's called Michi... I forgot the name. Michi Bangavi Tavu, which is pretty much roasted eggplant in coconut milk. I've never done that and you know, cooking is not really my strength, so I'll be doing that. I already have all the ingredients sitting there and ready to go because I kind of have to hurry up before he comes back. Also, if you have another cooking recommendation for the next video, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video and leave a nice comment. As you know, most Fijian dishes start with peeling cassava and scraping coconuts. So this is what I'll do. Remember last time with the rural video was my first time? No, this is my second time. So Marika, if you see this, don't watch. This is all the beautiful cassava that I peeled. Looks a little bit abused, but I guess the next step is to boil it and then onto the coconut. The coconut that Wayavi is abusing. Wayavi, I still have to scrape that coconut. Wayavi, I still have to scrape that coconut. Excuse me. She doesn't care. Now, I have to scrape the coconut, but of course first I have to open it, and that's my biggest struggle of all times. So let's see how many tries it takes me this time. First I have to take off my ring, because last time I did this with my ring on, I had to get it fixed. So let's do this. Yeah. Okay. Water coming out. Quicker than last time, so that's progress, I guess. So now we start to scrape it. Now I have to think about what Marika said. This way. So lacquer. But I kind of feel like I destroyed it because it's a little bit bent, but okay, one done. I quickly do the other three and then we go squeeze it. Okay, so actually I have decided that before I squeeze the coconut, I will put the eggplants in the grill or oven. I know usually Fijians put it on the fire. Since I don't have a fire pit, I will try and squeeze it in here. At least that's a grill option. So I just hope it works out. Let's see. Alright, so now, see, this is really tricky when Marika is not here. So I have to film everything myself, but I'm just gonna put them as a whole. And throw them in the... I hope it fits. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Okay, let me figure this out. So now let's hope that they roast nicely. Okay, so I don't know if you saw in the last video, but squeezing coconut is not really my favorite thing because I really suck at it, but I gotta do it. I think I probably would need 5 coconuts to actually get out what I should get out. Might as well just add some water. Don't tell Marika. Alright, so I just finished squeezing the coconut milk, and now I'm going to cut the onion and the chili and the tomato. Yeah, and I can smell the eggplant. Okay, you tell me, is it supposed to be like that? More or less? I don't know. To me it looks burned, but oh yay. It exploded. And so now I'm going to peel out the insides and put it in this bowl. Okay, last step, I'm going to prepare the michi. So first cut the moli and squeeze it into the coconut milk. God, I need to do the dishes after this, so I'll just make Marika do the dishes. Okay, now I'm gonna squeeze it. After this, put some salt. I don't know why I have peanut butter standing here. Peanut butter we don't put there. I put some. Oh, I'm not going to add the chili because I don't like it spicy. I'm gonna put that aside for now. But I am going to add all the onion. Hope that bowl is big enough. And tomato. Set. We mix. We taste. Tastes like nothing. Then we add it all. We, not me. No, not you and me, just me. We add it in. I added into the eggplant. I am certain that Marika is going to come home soon, so I'm going to prepare it with the cassava and the tuna and the chili, and then let's see his reaction. All right, so this is what it looks like. Hey, fly, go away. The michi bangavi tavu, I think this is what the name is. Cassava, chili, his tuna, and now we wait. I think church should be over pretty much now, so now we wait until he comes. All right, so he just turned in. He just turned into the driveway, so I have to get him, blindfold him, and ta-da! Okay, push. Hi. What?
What did I do?
He didn't do anything.
Oh,
Right? I prepared something. Stand.
what did you prepare?
1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness!
I don't know if it's any good, but
You did this?
well, who else will do it?
Oh!
You don't even know what this is.
Yeah, it's the eggplant. The one that I told.
So we got this on camera.
Oh, you're recording?
Oh, that's shocking. So yeah, let's hope Marika likes it. That was very scary.
Let's eat.
All right, the moment of truth. You might need some salt, but I don't know.
Oh! Oh!
You like it?
Love it.
Mm. Mm. By the way, I'm sure the people say that you should cook something German next time. So instead of me, it's gonna be you. Right? Right? Please vote yes underneath. Other than that, we're gonna have lunch now. And don't forget to subscribe, like, the usual thing, and some comments what we could, or what I could cook next in Fijian, and if Marika should cook something German. Alright, Sota pale.
What this then will play?
To this we pray.